everybody, it's me Jada, and today I did this simple little look using the Morphe X JamesCharles Palette. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So going in with my Anastasia dip brow and my M216 brush, I'm just taking a little and going over the shape of my eyebrows and filling them in a little. I don't do anything really too special here. So now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm just outlining my eyebrows. The line is a little sloppy, but it won't matter once I blend everything out. I like to use the concealer as a primer, so I'm just putting it on both of my lids and then blending it out. It's gonna look a little weird in a few seconds, but just bear with me. So I'm taking my Morphe X JamesCharles Palette and I'm gonna start by using the color Skip, and I'm using my E17 brush and I'm just gonna pack that color in the crease. Then I'm taking my M411 brush just to blend it out a little. So now with the same brush from earlier, you're going to take Love That and you're just going to pack that in your outer corner. So now I'm cutting the crease. I don't know why I didn't record myself putting the concealer on the brush, but I have this random flat brush from e.l.f. and I'm just cutting the crease halfway. So now I'm taking Pinkity Drinkity and Sister and I'm mixing those together with my M408 brush and just placing that right on top of the concealer. So now I'm taking some liquid eyeliner, and this is from Revlon, and I'm just outlining the lid. So now I'm applying my lashes from Lash Really Yours in a shape called Alyssa. Putting on lashes is the most annoying part in my opinion because the glue can always get messy. Now I'm taking my Jeffree Star Beauty Blender and Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and just applying that all over my face. So now I'm just putting concealer under my eyes, down my nose, and on my chin, and I'm just going to blend that out. So I'm taking a little bit of Skip and Love That mixed together and putting it under my eye and adding a little mascara just to darken it up, and taking my Fit Me powder and just putting that all over my face. So I'm taking this Kylie palette. I don't really know the specific name of it, but it came out last summer. And I'm only going to use one color in it with my M431 brush just to brighten up my inner corners. I also like to put a little on my brow bone, but not too much. So now I'm taking this Becca, Chloe, and Malika palette thing. I don't really know the specific name for this either, but I used some of the highlighter and the blush. And lastly, I finished off with setting spray, and that's the complete look. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.